Word problems involving fractions. Examples. A fisherman catches n fish. Their total mass is 15 kg. A. Write down the average mass of a fish in terms of n. B. If the average mass of a fish was 3/4 kg, find the number of fish caught. Solution. A fisherman caught or catches n fish. Their total mass is what? 15 kg. Write down the average mass of a fish in terms of n. So for the A, average mass of a fish. Average mass of a fish equals to total mass divided by number of fish. Number of fish. And what is the total mass from the question? The total mass from the question is 15. That's 15 kg. So we have 15 kg divided by number of fish. How many fish? N. So the number of fish is n. So it means that the average mass is 15 divided by n kg. That is the solution to the first part of this problem. Now, for the second part, if the average mass of a fish was 3/4 kg, find the number of fish caught. So for the B part, it means that when you have the average mass to be equals to 3/4 kg, what will be the value of n? And what is the average mass of a fish normally in terms of n? We go back to the first part of this problem. And what is the average mass of a fish? It's 15 divided by n kg. So here we have 15 divided by n kg to be equals to what? 3 divided by 4 kg. Kg we go with kg. So in this case, we have 15 divided by n to be equals to 3/4. How do we find the value of n? We are going to cross multiply. By cross multiply, we have what? 15 times 4 to be equals to what? N times 3. Now, 15 times 4 is what? 60. Then, to be equals to what? N times 3. That's 3n. Now, for us to find the value of n, we divide both sides by the coefficient of n. What is the coefficient of n? The coefficient of n is 3. Then we divide both sides by 3. 3n1, 3n1. So 60 divided by 3 will give us what? 20. So 20 equals to n. This implies n equals to 20 what? 20 fish. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.